We're the cast of Fell University, and we're gonna be playing
The
boat is sinking.
And we're also going to answer some questions every round.
Let's go!
Let's go.
Okay. Oh,
Loud.
chaos.
Perfect. Okay, this is awkward. Sa akin... sige, go. Siguro nung crying scene namin ni Dave kasi mamamatay na sila. Sobrang bigat kasi talaga nun. Kailangan talaga namin umiyak. Kaya nakita niyo yung mukha ko dun.
Kahit wala ako doon.
Oh, hirap na.
Wait, isn't the like really last episodes, Mia's scene, confession scene? Yes, wait for that, wait for that.
Dapat siguro yung recruitment namin kasama yung monologue.
Five. Okay, come here, Derek. Come here, Derek.
Why am I still here? Why am I still
Pinaglaruan si Zeke. Basta nakikita nyo dun si Andre gumagano. Gumagano. Bye-bye.
Saan si Hoy? Para wala mo siya nung script.
Wala ka talagang script.
Zero.
Ako gusto ko pong ma-experience yung
Ganun sa
Sa akin, siguro yung part na yung manly, sobrang manly ni Matt.
Macho.
Tapos, ayun. Masarap lang umarte pag mabigat yung, kumbaga yung minamahal mo, hindi mo.
Wait na, okay,
Sample.
Go. Vanessa.
Vanessa.
Vanessa. I don't know. She's my bestie in the show, so then I wanna experience being her.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ikaw muna. Marami silang aabangan na mga plot twist and malalaman nila dito kung sino yung mastermind sa lahat. Yes, Hell University.
Okay. Labi.
You win.
Sabihin ko lang is...
I would like to congratulate my tropa. Last month sa galing mo, tol.
Galing mo din?
Yeah. Enjoy!
Enjoy, yes. Ang saya! Ha? Let's go, friends!
Panalo kami sa final round!
Jackpot tayo!
Please stream Hell University only on Viva One. Stream!
Legally!
Ano sa Viva 1?
Bida ka dito!